Hi, my name is John Cermenaro, and what we're going to do today is we're going to unbox this brand new Rogers drum that I purchased. So let's take a look. Oh boy. My first time seeing a new Rogers drum, and well, since 1984. It's currently 2024, so it's been a minute. What did I do here? What did I get? All right, digging in. This is it, baby. Holy cow. So, take it out. Box. Oh boy. This is exciting. A new drum. Everybody loves the day they get a new snare drum. I know that. Who wouldn't? What have we got? Oh, wow. It's white marine pearl. Hey. Oh, it's got the old style Rogers script logo on that. And I love how they've redesigned this throw off. It retains the basic shape and design. And I love that they have the gaskets, right? This was a Dave Gordon innovation for Rogers, was to add a gasket between the lug and the shell to isolate that metal from the wood and allow the instrument to sing to its greatest potential. That was something I learned from Dave Gordon. He didn't just call them drums, he called them instruments. I see it's got a Rogers logoed Remo, surely a coated ambassador. Well, let's take a look at the inside. Whoa! Okay, I didn't expect this. This is a thin shell with reinforcing rings. This is like Covington style. Wow, wow, wow. This drum's gonna, I already know it's gonna sound good just looking at it with my eyes. Oh my gosh. Holy cow. Well done. Just looking at the bearing edge through the translucent bottom head, it's just pristine. Has an internal tone control. All right, that's not a bad idea. That looks like a good, solid, robust piece of hardware. And again, I wanted a Super 10 because I wanted, I'm not doing any orchestral work, folks. This is just blues. Oh, this is a good comparison, actually. So if we look at this, we see the vintage throw-off and the new throw-off. All right, just out of the box. I already like the snares, that sort of loose sound. I'm enjoying the heck out of that. Bring a little more tension on it. Not trying to tune it per se, just see what happens when I put a little more tension in it. Oh boy, I'm happy. I'm happy. This is great. Again, big shout out to Big Bang Distribution. Thank you for bringing Rogers back. Thanks, Bob Cascia and your team. I'm back in business. Thank you.